Captures not showing on PS app, here's the fix. So if you are facing the issue of captures not showing on the PS app and you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then you won't be able to see the captures which are done on the PS app. So second thing which you need to do is that you just need to check the cloud storage of your PS Plus. So only the PS Plus subscriber can access the captures through the cloud app. So you just need to log into the PlayStation app and click on the option of profile and click on the option of captures. So if your cloud storage is full, then you just need to delete some videos and you just need to free up some storage from it and be able to find it. The third thing is that you just need to open App Store on a device and you just need to check if there is any update available for the app. So simply search PS app and see if there is any update available for the app. So if you find any update, then you just click on the option of update to update the app, because that may also be the reason that you are not being able to see the captures on the PS app. So by doing all of it, you just need to open settings on any device and click on the option of general and click on iPhone storage. So from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of PS app. So scroll down and click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the box or the error which are currently occurring on your app. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to see the captures on a PS app again. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.